So this is the first flat that we are going to look at. Mom liked this flat a lot. So this is room number 12. So but you can see that the passage doesn't have too much light. I am not sure why mom and dad didn't notice this at all. So but there is absolutely no light in the passage currently. Maybe that's because it's a little overcast as well. So let's get into the flat. Okay, so we start off with the living room. You can see that the living room has a balcony, and so I'm not sure what this is. So okay, let me just show you. So this is the way the hall is shaped. The door occupies a bit of space there, but otherwise again there is a small area and a small sink over here, and it all ends up in the balcony. So okay, let me just try to show you. So currently I am standing at the wall, and so you can see that it's quite big, but it's very oddly shaped, I would say. And so this is the balcony. So this is what mom was really excited about.
Oh, ಇದೆ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ perfect.
So you can see that there is a lawn here, and again the same thing that we saw there, you can see here. So basically I think that this is what mom liked a lot. Basically it's like you can just go to the lawn or something like that. Then you move into this bedroom. Okay, this bedroom is extremely small. I'm not sure. Maybe it's not very small, but it's like a rectangularly shaped room. The breadth is very less, but the length is a lot. You see that, and there is a window over here. With the window, you can't see anything. You can just see some plants over here. The room also has an attached bathroom, which is quite large, to be honest. So, okay, well, you can't see too much here, but it's quite large and it's like a nice bathroom. Then you move out of here into bedroom number 2. So again, so this is how it is. So it's not a square exactly. Again, you have some area over there, but again the window is overlooking into the other window, so I'm not very sure whether they would like that. Beda, tegaden beda. So let's try to give you sliding window antappa ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡು ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ is ತೋರಿಸಿ. And so this is how big it is. Let me just give you an idea. And now I'm standing at the wall, and I'm standing at the length of the wall, and this is the bathroom over here. Yeah?
ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ ಸದ್ಯ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು?
ಒಳ್ಳೇದು
This is the bathroom.
ಗೀಸರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು.
ಅದು and let's get into bedroom number 3. This is the wall again. I don't like the shape of all the rooms over here, but I guess it's decent. I mean, this is like a nice big room with a good view as well. So let me just try to give you an indication. So now I'm standing at the window, and now I'm standing at the other wall. I keep coming back. So this is how big it is, and you have a nice little view of whatever structure that is from outside over here. And again, dad is coming and trying to open the sliding window for some reason. ಏನ್ ಬೇಡ ಅದು
ನೋಡೋದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ.
Yeah, so essentially, and you got a door over here to just get out, I guess. another balcony over here. This is a nice thing. Just come over here and chill. And again you have this nice big lawn over here from where you can just look at everyone else. So I think some of these flats have already been occupied.
55 ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಮನೆ
That's the whole thing.
94
Sorry, so this also has another attached bathroom. So basically all the 3 bedrooms have 3 bathrooms. So let me just recap. This is the nice big room with the nice view, the 2 nice windows. This room is decent actually. This room not too big, and the view is into the neighbor's window with another attached bathroom. Small corridor over here. This is the living room, I'm assuming, but then it's extremely oddly shaped because this area over here is absolutely waste. But this area could be the living room, and well, you'll have to figure it out somehow. And small kitchen over here. Sorry, small sink, and this is the kitchen. Kitchen has a platform, etc. It's big again, it's like really big, and the kitchen also overlooks the lawn, and they also have a small washing machine sort of a area over here. So this is the kitchen. Kitchen is also fairly big, yeah. So basically it's much bigger than some of the other flats we've seen so far. And this is the last room. This is, I think, the smallest of the whole lot, but this also has an attached bathroom. So basically 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So overall nice big flat, little oddly shaped for my liking, but I think overall it's a nice buy, because at least inside you have a lot of light. But I hated the fact that there is absolutely no light over here. Look at this. This is the difference. So that's the only thing I didn't like. But other than that, it's all decent. Maybe architecture could have been better, but overall, ठीक है. अच्छा. It's not bad at all. See, things like this, yeah. Small, थोड़ा सा gap छोड़ दिया इन लोगों ने. So probably they've not made best use of the space possible. But then generally, I guess overall, nice buy. Anyway, and mom and dad really like this, so we should consider that as well. Anyway, looking at this as an investment. So okay, so that's flat number 012. So we'll check out the other flats next.